Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. So it's Friday night, March 25th, and I don't know what my vlog or this weekend video is going to be all about, but I was listening to the Peepers and I thought, you know what? Maybe people would like to hear what it sounds like here at this time of year in my backyard. We have like an area that is basically like swamp, I guess, and every year around the middle of March the peepers start, and yeah, so I'm gonna shut up and let you hear what we hear. They all quiet down at the same time and then they start up again. I'm gonna take a walk down to where they're loud, but I'm kind of nervous because we've been seeing some coyotes and all kinds of like wildlife. But I'll take a walk down there and see if we can hear it a little louder. Definitely spring. I know you can't see me, but let's go back upstairs where the light's on. You guys may never see this video. I may decide that it's not good, but anyway guys, just thought you might like to hear the peepers and a sure sign of spring. I'm just going to show you a couple of spring flowers or buds that are coming up in my yard, and it'll probably be just a nail video. Yeah, I don't know what else will be on this video guys, but I'm gonna go in, chill out, do my dishes. I'm gonna call it a night now. I'll check in tomorrow. So I thought I would show you the new shelf I bought at Hobby Lobby last week when I was shopping for all my new living room things, and this was on sale for 40% off. It was part of the spring merchandise, so I picked it up. It holds all the things that I need to hold. If you remember, I had a small medicine chest there before, and this is able to hold everything that I need on a daily basis. And not only is it functional, but it looks really pretty and really modern. I really love it. Hi guys, it's Saturday, March 26th, and I'm getting ready to go out. I'm gonna meet my daughter Julie for lunch, and it's a beautiful day. I think it's gonna get up into the 50s today. So this vlog is, I don't even know what I'm gonna be filming during this vlog. Last night I filmed the peepers for you, which I don't know. I hope that came out okay. And yeah, so this morning I'm going to be doing my nails. I'm going to be switching out these pink nails that lasted really well for probably close to 2 weeks. And now I'm going to be putting on the runner-up to my poll where I asked people to vote on 3 different nail sets and the pink one. And this it's called To Die For, and these are long length gel fantasy nails, and I trim them down using my trusty trimmers, and I'm gonna glue them on with my super glue, my original super glue. So I'm just gonna pop these off and put the new ones on. I will pick my sizes and put these on, and we'll see how they come out.
You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you've got style, the way your body keeps my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you. I
so nice, beautiful new set of nails, and it took me probably all together maybe 15 minutes to do this. So I didn't have to sit in a salon. I didn't have to pay, you know, maybe $25, $30 with a tip to get my nails refreshed. I did a square tip. I cut them down pretty good. I mean, if you want to see like the length of the tip I cut off, I don't know if you can, that's how much I cut off on the tip of the nail. So pretty good amount, but they still look beautiful. I love the square. These are so easy to file, so extremely easy to file, so easy to do. My super glue, it dries instantly. I hold it on there for about 15 seconds. I count to 15 just to make sure it's on there good. I trimmed down my natural nails just because they can tend to, if you're not watching, sometimes you'll see that the edge shows of your natural nail, and you obviously do not want that. So, you know, you just really try to get it to fit. You get the, you know, check it good before you end up gluing it down, because you really don't want to have anything showing. But I really love how these came out. I think they look phenomenal. So, you know, for under $10, and basically whenever I want a new manicure, they're right here for me, and they're so easy. And they don't, I haven't had, I mean, my nails look pretty like roughed up when I take the old set off, but it, you know, when I have to file off the old glue, so, you know, they look a little roughed up. But if I were to go without putting another set on, just from washing my hand, I mean, my nails look perfectly fine. I could go without nails, just put a clear coat on or something. But that's why it's like, if you have acrylics put on at the salon and you decide to take them off, your nails aren't going to look really good when you take them off. So if you want to have something that looks like a professional manicure, these are definitely the way to go. So anyway, guys, I am going to be heading out. Like I said, I'm going to be meeting Julie for lunch. We're going downtown. So if there's anything of interest down there, I will certainly film it and include it on this vlog. Not much going on this weekend, just relaxing and enjoying seeing my daughter. And yeah, so I will check in with you again soon. Thanks, guys.
We're picturing. We're picturing?
Wait, do you want your whole body in it?
Yeah, well, we want to show that.
Oh, the belly?
We're here to check out a venue for Julie's baby shower. I haven't told anybody yet, but shower's in like 3 weeks. I'm having a baby. We're just checking out the venue, and we're down here, and we're having fun, and yeah, so that is my big news and my
the big news of the day. Very good.
That's it.
Yeah, by the windows would be awesome if we can get that. We're out having a fire. It's a little bit chilly. Joe, whoops, where you going, babe? And it's a little bit chilly out here, but we're getting out. It's our first fire of the season. And we're excited. Joey doesn't look too excited, but he is. Just getting our fire going here. What do you think of the fire?
Oh, it's beautiful.
Shorts on.
Oh, yeah, ready for the summer.
Oh, look at that. Wow, they got a nest over here. Wow, that was cool. Throwing off some heat now. I love that sound.
You like that?
Yeah, the like crackling fire. Well guys, I'm going to be wrapping up this video. Sunday has been just a very relaxing day and nothing much going on. So I did want to show you my happy wax I'm using in my Scentsy warmer. They're so cute. They look like little bears, but they are a natural soy melt with essential oils and they smell really great. I will link the website below. And I just wanted to show you the flower arrangement that I made for my spring table. These are the lilacs that I showed you in a previous video. They were in a bouquet. I just cut them into individual stems and put them into the floral foam in the base of this basket. And I used other flowers, other faux florals that I had on hand. I did find some other little lilacs that I had. So I hope you've enjoyed this vlog. Have a great couple of days and I will see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Take care. Bye for now.